Have you ever sat down at night, when the house finally goes quiet, and this heavy thought just lands on your chest? You're exhausted, but your mind won't rest. You wonder how you stayed busy all day, yet still feel behind. It's a lonely feeling that hits when no one's watching. You're trying so hard every single day. You juggle schedules, bills, groceries, and everyone else's needs before your own. Your phone keeps buzzing, the hours slip away, and by night, you're drained. And somehow, even after all that effort, you still feel stuck. You're not lazy. You're not failing. You're just tired of trying so hard to feel okay again. That constant mental noise wears you down more than you realize. And deep inside, what you really want is clarity, not more pressure. Hi, I'm Betty, and this is Budget Betty, Smarter Money for Mom Life. Today, I'll guide you through a simple one-week plan to calm your mind and bring your focus back. Subscribe now, stay with me, and let's create relief together. Here's what no one tells you. You're not lacking motivation or discipline. Your mind is just overcrowded with too many inputs pulling at you all day. And when attention is scattered, even strong people feel drained. Every notification, every open tab, every unfinished thought quietly takes energy from you. You switch roles constantly, leader, caregiver, decision maker, without ever stopping to reset. Your phone doesn't just take your time, it fractures your attention. And fragmented attention kills clarity. That's why busy days don't always feel productive. When your mental space is cluttered, even simple decisions feel heavy. This isn't a personal failure, it's a system problem. And the cost you're paying is your peace of mind. Here's the shift that changes everything. For years, you may have believed that calm only comes after fixing every part of your life, but that belief keeps you stuck in constant motion. Real calm starts when you challenge that assumption. The old belief says you need to overhaul your entire life to feel calm. The new belief is simpler and far more powerful. You only need to guide your focus for one intentional week. Calm comes not from doing more, but from choosing less with purpose. One intentional week can reset your nervous system. It reminds your brain that you are still in control of where your attention goes. You don't need a new system or extreme discipline to start. Once that calm returns, clarity follows naturally, and better decisions come with it. This is your calm week, and it doesn't require a total reset of your life. Each morning, you choose just one thing that truly matters that day. Not 10 priorities, not an endless list, just one clear anchor. When the day starts pulling you in different directions, that anchor brings you back to focus and control. Every day, you also create a quiet pocket just for yourself. 15 minutes with no phone, no noise, and no pressure to fix anything. This is not productivity time, it's clarity time. In that stillness, your mind resets and your decisions become sharper. Before the day ends, you empty your mind onto paper. You write down every task, worry, and unfinished thought without trying to solve any of it. This simple release tells your brain that nothing is being forgotten. And that's how real rest begins, when your mind finally feels safe to let go. Picture yourself 1 week from now. You wake up calm, not rushed, not mentally scattered. The pressure is still there, but it no longer controls you. You feel steady before the day even begins. You make decisions without spiraling into doubt. Your thoughts feel organized, not loud or chaotic. Instead of reacting to every signal, you respond with intention. That's what clarity feels like. There's peace in how you start your mornings, confidence in the choices you make throughout the day, and quiet control in how you move through pressure. This isn't fantasy. This is clarity you built on purpose. You don't need to change who you are to feel calm. You don't need a new personality, a perfect routine, or more discipline. You just need to give your mind a little room to breathe. Calm isn't something you find one day. It's something you build, slowly, gently, through small choices that respect your energy. If this video spoke to you, like it, subscribe for clarity-based growth, and share it with a friend who feels overwhelmed but never says it out loud. And tell me in the comments, which part of your day feels the loudest right now? And which one small action are you starting with this week? Let's talk. This is the Budget Betty channel, smarter money for mom life. And remember this, a calmer mind isn't found. It's built, one gentle choice at a time.